that you understand what Open-E JovianDSS is and have seen an example configuration, let's access the data. ZPOL can be divided into datasets and ZVOLs. Those can be shared using several protocols like NFS, SMB, iSCSI or Fiber Channel. Let's show how to create and share a dataset. First of all, you need to open the ZPOL options and click the Add Dataset button. This will take us to a creation wizard. Here, we can name our dataset and modify all of the properties so that they fit our needs. You can enable deduplication, which we advise against in most cases, change the compression algorithm, change the record size, set a quota to limit allocated storage space, and many other things. After that, we can add a share. A share is the access point to our data. Here we can specify the name under which other systems will recognize our data. Here we can enable the chosen protocol. For the purpose of this presentation, we will show you SMB functionality. For SMB, you can also limit the access to data for chosen users or groups of users. Once the share is created, I can access it through any device connected to my network using the IP address of the storage resource. To stay up to date with the latest additions, follow our blog and YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and good luck with managing your data storage.